How can you unify your workforce? What are some of the tips and tricks and tools that you can use to get a deeply fragmented workforce that works, all over the place, that has emotional issues, mental issues, that is buckling under the pressure, and bring them back together? More on that in just a moment. My name is Beate Gillette. I'm the founder of the Women's Code, and I am a specialist in leadership and business development, because to run a great business, you have to be a good leader, and a good leader needs to know on how to run a business. So what I have found is, in interviews with C-level executives, that there are a lot of issues that are surrounding right now our teams and the workplace. Needless to say, the ongoing pandemic, working from home, safe places, how to, people are worried about it, or people are afraid of losing their jobs, or they're working different hours, they're working from home, they have to take care of their children, they have to oftentimes take care of other family members, and they're absolutely buckling under the pressure, and there's no end in sight. So we are seeing that there is a lot of negativity and anger and discord in the system right now, or in all systems, or in all organizations, because people don't know how long it's going to take, when we're going to get out of it, and how are we going to recover from this. So I wrote an insights paper called The Future of Leadership. The subtitle is A Return to Humanity, where I've interviewed a number of C-level executives to just get a pulse of what some of these companies are doing, and how they are bringing people together, and how they're unifying their workforce. So I invite all of you to follow the link to download your copy. It's completely free, and share it any way you want, and really start having a discussion about what can you do to unify your workforce. Because one thing is for certain: if you don't use this opportunity at this very moment in time to show leadership, this opportunity is gone. And the reason this matters is because right now, even we have a large number of unemployment. Yeah, employers have the upper hand, but that's not going to last. And with 70% of the workforce being Generation Z and millennials, and they are worried about people, planet, and purpose. If you are not taking a stance for something right now, then you're taking a stance. And that's going to come to bite you in the long run. That's my message to you today. Please reach out, leave your comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you about what do you do that unifies your workforce. Thank you so much for watching. This is Beate Gillette, the Growth Architect.